Let's answer the real question. Is Go High Level actually worth it in 2026? Not is it popular? Not does everyone online, why are they talking about it? Is it worth switching your attention, your energy, and your systems as a business owner? Because tools don't ruin businesses. Bad decisions and unclear systems do. And I want you to make this decision from clarity, not fear. If you haven't met yet, my name is Stacia Liu, and I've been building systems and automations for years for my own businesses and for business owners that are tired of juggling tools, guessing what's happening, and hoping follow-up gets done. I don't teach software because I like software. I teach systems because businesses break without them. Now, before we even talk about Go High Level, we need to slow down and define something. When people ask, is it worth it? What they're really asking is this going to make my life easier or harder? And that's where most people get stuck, because Go High Level isn't just a new tool. It's a different way of running your businesses that you haven't realized. So let's start with the biggest objection I hear. I'm already on another platform. This one comes up all the time. Maybe you're on HubSpot. Maybe you're on ClickFunnels. Maybe you're on Kajabi. Maybe you've duct taped a few tools together and it technically works. And when someone mentions switching, your nervous system goes into defense mode because switching feels like risk. Here's the truth. Go High Level is almost never a problem of capability. It's a problem of migration fear. People aren't afraid of learning something new. They're afraid of breaking something that sort of works. So let me say this clearly. Go High Level is not worth it if you feel like you have to migrate everything in one day. That's not how smart operators do this. No one successful wakes up and says, let's rebuild the entire plane while we're flying it. They test one system, one process, one flow. You introduce Go High Level to one part of your business. That's it. One lead form, one follow-up sequence, one booking flow. If that works better, then you expand. If it doesn't, you stop. Now let's hit the next objection. I don't want to deal with migration. This is a valid concern. Migration sounds like spreadsheets, broken links, lost data, and regret. But here's the reframe. Migration only hurts when you migrate chaos. If your current systems are unclear, undocumented, or inconsistent, moving them will feel painful anywhere, no matter what platform. That's not a Go High Level problem. That's a clarity problem. Go High Level doesn't force you to migrate mess. It gives you a chance to rebuild clean. And this is where people who win think differently. They don't ask, how do I move everything? They ask, what's one thing I want to work better first? That's the question that makes Go High Level worth it. Now, let's talk about another question I get all the time. I'm not techie. When people say this, what they're really saying is, I'm already mentally full. And that makes sense because most business owners are carrying marketing, sales, delivery team, and clients all at once. They're also the janitor and the marketing director and everything else. The idea of learning a new system feels like adding weight. But here's the loop. You're already thinking about tech. You're just thinking about it in fragments. Why didn't that lead get a response? Where did that booking go? Did anyone follow up? Is that automation still on? That mental load doesn't disappear just because you avoided systems. Go High Level doesn't add thinking, it organizes thinking. You trade constant low grade stress for intentional setup. Short term effort, long term relief. What if I mess this up? This is the quiet one no one admits. What if I build it wrong? What if I break something? What if I waste time? Here's the truth. You will not mess up by testing. You only mess up by committing without clarity. That's why I recommend starting with the trial, not to get started, but to explore. Click around, see how things connect, notice what feels simpler. You're not marrying the software, you're interviewing it. Now, let's talk about the cost, because worth it always comes back to the money. Go High Level is not cheap compared to one single tool, but it's rarely more expensive than the stack of that people are already paying for. Form, email, text, CRM, customer relationship management tools, calendars, automations. When you add it up, most people are already paying more than they actually think. The difference is they're paying it in pieces. And the visibility always feels uncomfortable at first. But visibility is how you make better decisions. You got to have the data. Now let's loop this back. Is Go High Level worth it? Not if you want something completely hands off, not if you refuse to look at your systems, not if you want the magic instead of mechanics. If you want fewer tools, clearer processes, and follow up that doesn't rely on memory, this tool makes sense. Here's the simplest truth I can give you. Go High Level doesn't replace your business. It replaces guessing. And when you stop guessing, everything gets easier. So here's what I recommend. Don't switch everything. Don't overcommit. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start with the trial. Grab my free 30-day trial in the link in the description below. Use it to test one thing. And when you do, don't figure it out alone. I've built an entire full training that walks you through step by step how to get started the smart way, what to set up first, what to ignore, how to avoid migration mistakes. That training is included when you grab the free trial in the description below. Full walkthrough that you get instant access to. This is the lowest risk, highest clarity, and the highest clarity way to decide if Go High Level is worth it for you. And if it's not, you'll know quickly. That's the point. Again, grab the trial, free training, instant access. You'll see in the next video much more on how to get started and answer even more questions. But stop watching and just go take action. Much love and aloha, and we'll see you in the next one.